Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss top 50 MCQs on antimicrobial agents and their resistance mechanism. Before starting the MCQs, you can quickly revise the most important and most asked antibiotics with their mechanism of action. After revising it, we can start the MCQs. Okay, now we are starting the MCQs part. Question number 1. The primary mechanism of action of beta-lactam antibiotics is. The right answer is C. Inhibition of cell wall synthesis. Beta-lactams block peptidoglycan cross-linking which ultimately weakens cell wall and bacterial lysis. Question number 2. Which enzyme is responsible for resistance to penicillin in many bacteria? The right answer is A. Beta-lactamase. Beta-lactamase enzyme hydrolyzes beta-lactam drugs and drug becomes inactive. Question number 3. Vancomycin inhibits. The right answer is B. Cell wall synthesis. Vancomycins bind to d-ELA and prevents cell wall synthesis. Question number 4. Which antibiotic act by inhibiting DNA gyrase? The right answer is B. Ciprofloxacin. It inhibits DNA gyrase and blocks DNA replication. Question number 5. Resistance due to altered target site is seen in. The right answer is A. MRSA. It has altered PBP and beta-lactams cannot bind effectively. Question number 6. Aminoglycosides inhibit. The right answer is A. 30S ribosomal subunit. It binds to 30S and inhibit initiation of protein synthesis. Question number 7. Chloramphenicol acts on. The right answer is B. 50S subunit. It inhibits peptidyl transferase on 50S subunit. Question number 8. Efflux pump mechanism leads to. The right answer is B. Drug expulsion from cell. Efflux pumps actively remove antibiotics from bacterial cell. That's why they are a very important cause of antibiotic resistance. Question number 9. Which drug inhibits folic acid synthesis? The right answer is A. Sulfonamides. They compete with PABA and block folic acid synthesis. Question number 10. Rifampicin acts by inhibiting. The right answer is B. RNA polymerase. It inhibits RNA polymerase and block transcription. Question number 11. Resistance due to decreased permeability is common in. The right answer is B. Gram-negative bacteria. They reduce drug entry via purpurine changes. Question number 12. Tetracycline resistance commonly occur due to. The right answer is B. Efflux pumps. Tetracycline resistance is mainly due to efflux pump that removes the drug from the cells. Question number 13. Macrolides act on. The right answer is B. 50S subunit. It binds to 50S parts and inhibits translocation during protein synthesis. Question number 14. Which mechanism leads to MRSA resistance? The right answer is B. Altered penicillin binding protein. MRSA produces altered penicillin binding protein or PBPs which decrease beta-lactam binding. Question number 15. Quinolones target. The right answer is B. DNA gyrase. Quinolones inhibit DNA gyrase or topoisomerase and stop DNA replication. Question number 16. Carbapenems are resistant to. The right answer is A. Beta-lactamase. They resist beta-lactamase degradation due to stable structure. Question number 17. Which drug disrupts bacterial cell membrane? The right answer is A. Polymyxin. Polymyxin disrupts phospholipids membrane, cell wall leakage, and death. Question number 18. Resistance via enzyme modification is seen in. The right answer is A. Minoglycosides. Minoglycosides modify enzymes, inactivate the drug chemically. Question number 19. Which antibiotic inhibits mycolic acid synthesis? The right answer is A. Isoniazid. Isoniazid inhibit mycolic acid and weakens mycobacterial cell wall. Question number 20. Horizontal gene transfer includes. The right answer is B. Transformation. Transformation is the uptake of free DNA from environment. Question number 21. Plasmid mediated resistance is important in. The right answer is B. Horizontal transmission. Plasmids transfer resistant genes between bacteria horizontally. Question number 22. Which drug inhibits transpeptidation? The right answer is A. Penicillin. It prevents transpeptidase and prevents cross-linking. Question number 23. Biofilm formation leads to. The right answer is B. Increased resistance. Biofilms protect bacteria and reduce antibiotic penetration. Question number 24. Which antibiotic binds to 30S and causes misreading of messenger RNA? The right answer is A. Aminoglycosides. They cause misreading of messenger RNA and faulty protein formation. Question number 25. Sulfonamides are competitive inhibitors of. The right answer is A. PABA. Sulfonamides mimics PABA and competitively inhibit folate pathway. Question number 26. Extended spectrum beta-lactamases hydrolyze. The right answer is B. Broad spectrum beta-lactamase. Question number 27. Resistance due to mutation in DNA gyrase affects. The right answer is B. Quinolones. DNA gyrase mutations reduces quinolone binding and ultimately cause resistance. 28. Which drug inhibits arabinogalactan synthesis? The right answer is A. Ethambutol. Ethambutol inhibits arabinogalactans and disrupts cell wall in TB. Question number 29. Which mechanism involves direct drug inactivation? The right answer is B. Enzyme production. Enzymes chemically modify or destroy antibiotics and cause inactivation. Question number 30. Cross resistance occurs when. The right answer is B. Resistance to similar drugs. It is a term that means when it occurs when similar drugs share resistance mechanism. Question number 31. Which mechanism is responsible for vancomycin resistance in enterococci? The right answer is B. Altered DLR to DLR-DLAC. Question number 32. Linsolide acts by. The right answer is B. Blocking initiation complex formation. Linsolide blocks formation of initiation complex on 50S and stops protein synthesis early. Question number 33. Which antibiotic is mostly affected by acetylation? The right answer is A. Aminoglycosides. They are inactivated by acetylation, phosphorylation, or adenylation. Question number 34. Resistance to macrolides is commonly due to. The right answer is B. Ribosomal methylation. Macrolide resistance occurs via methylation of 23S ribosomal RNA and it prevents drug binding. Question number 35. Which enzyme is inhibited by trimethoprim? The right answer is B. Dihydrofolate reductase. Question number 36. Which drug combination shows synergistic effect on folate pathway? The right answer is B. Sulfonamide plus trimethoprim. They block sequential steps in folate synthesis. Question number 37. Which resistance mechanism is most rapid to spread? The right answer is B. Horizontal gene transfer. It spreads resistance genes rapidly between bacteria. Question number 28. MLSB resistance effects. The right answer is C. Macrolides, lincosamides, and streptogramins. MLSB resistance affects drug binding 50S due to ribosomal methylation. Question number 39. Which antibiotic inhibits DNA-dependent RNA synthesis? The right answer is A. Rifampicin. Rifampicin blocks DNA-dependent RNA polymerase and it ultimately inhibits transcription. Question number 40. Alteration of porins mainly affects. The right answer is B. Gram-negative bacteria. Gram-negative bacteria alters protein and reduce antibiotic entry to the cell. Question number 41. Which drug causes resistance by mutation in RNA polymerase gene? The right answer is A. Rifampicin. Mutation in RNA polymerase gene leads to rifampicin resistance. Question number 42. Which is an example of intrinsic resistance? The right answer is B. Pseudomonas resistant to many drugs. Intrinsic resistance is equal to natural resistance. For example, Pseudomonas has low permeability naturally. Question number 43. Which antibiotic requires oxygen-dependent uptake into bacteria? The right answer is A. Aminoglycosides. They need oxygen for uptake. That's why they are ineffective in anaerobics. Question number 44. Clindamycin acts by. The right answer is A, inhibiting 50S subunits. Clindamycin binds 50S and inhibits peptide chain elongation. Question number 45. Which mechanism explains resistance to fluoroquinolones? The right answer is B, DNA gyrase mutation. Fluoroquinolone resistant due to mutation in DNA gyrase or topoisomerase. Question number 46. Which drug is ineffective against anaerobes due to uptake issue? The right answer is A, aminoglycosides. Aminoglycoside fails in anaerobes due to lack of oxygen-dependent transport. Question number 47. Which resistance mechanism involves protection of ribosomes? The right answer is B, ribosomal protection proteins. It prevents antibiotic bindings to ribosome. Question number 28. Which antibiotic acts on 23S ribosomal RNA of 50S subunit? The right answer is B, macrolides. They bind to 23S ribosomal subunit of 50S and blocks translocation. Question number 49. Post-antibiotic effect is best seen with. The right answer is A, aminoglycosides. Aminoglycosides show post-antibiotic effect and continued suppression after drug removal. Question number 50. Which factor mostly contributes to antimicrobial resistance globally? The right answer is B, overuse or misuse of antibiotics. Overuse or misuse of antibiotics select resistant strains and that cause major global issue of antibiotic resistance. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and please like, share and subscribe to my video for more upcoming MCQs videos like this.